Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, we are going to look at the mine area here in Kalulushi. Just a glimpse of it, because I have no much time to be around this place. Oh, the time that I have was just to visit the town center and to take a look at the same area. So we need to know about this area. We need to know about these people around this area. So guys, do me a favor, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. It is a box of memories I created about you. You were the one. You were the one. You were the one. You were the one. You are the one. You are the one. You are the one. Hey guys, I'm in this road which is called Ruambo Lane, like Simon Lane. So this is where I am in this road, and I'm just passing, going to the other road. You see, you know the job of a vlogger. You need to vlog, you need to showcase the areas that are not seen to people. Same as to this area. I think a lot of people like, okay, let me just say this. Like, to me, I can say this is one of the familiar area here in Kalulushi. I did a video in Chifubu and this area seems like I'm in Chifubu. That's how it feels like, because the house, they're similar, and the surroundings so what can I say? It's so good to me. You understand? So this is one of the beautiful area, and one of a well demarcated area, a well separated houses, and the only thing is that you're going to find some houses which are same design, same type of roofing sheets. So I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy, guys, because this area has already blessed me. It's a year for me to step on every land. I'm going to step on every land, like going around the town center, going around the village places, and so many different areas. And this is what I'm trying to do here. And upon being blessed by this land, I'm even feeling comfortable. I'm even like I'm home. You see? So this is one of the beautiful area, a well demarcated area, and it reminds me once again like the area in Dola which is called Ndeke area. There is an area which looks like this, and that area, it's an area where I was living. So you can see some things. You see this road, very beautiful, well demarcated. And some of So when you look at this road, guys, which is going behind me, this is the road when you go to Kalulushi town center. That's the road you can use, and I think we are going to go in the other road. You see, let me show you. This is, you can see the types of houses that we have here. You can see the types of houses that are here. They are same design. You see that one, and there is another one next to the same yard, and another one, and another one, and another one. See, so same, different. Let me say, same houses but different people. Same houses but different people. The way they are set up with something so good. And one thing that I'm really loving, it's because of the yard. The yard, they're so huge and so big. The yards are good. The yards are big. The yards are everything for me, because there is that space of someone to have a garden, to have another rubbish bin. There's that space, you see. So that's the quality or a good thing about the area here. You know, those kinds of areas whereby they were being demarcated in 1950s, 1960s, they were good areas. But there are those kinds of areas whereby you, for example, they give me the area, so this is your land, and then on that land I started selling to say, oh, it's big for me, let me just cut off this area and then sell it to this person. And those are the kinds of areas whereby you find that they've got a very tiny house and tiny yard, you see. Now this time things has come to change, to say people like me, people like us, we need to have areas that have got good roads, areas that have got big yards, so that we can feel that comfortability of living at a house. You understand, you know, not an area whereby you're not even comfortable, you don't feel comfortable. We need areas where we are going to feel comfortable. And it's so good that we are thinking ahead about our future, about our lands that we're going to have, about the properties. So this is the good way to go. And I'm happy, guys, that I'm showcasing the properties here. One of the beautiful area, guys. One of the beautiful area. It's not fancy, it's not large, but it's just a decent area, and an area whereby it's not overpopulated. There is no a lot of noise. It's not overpopulated. It's not congested like in Chifubu, Ndola, whereby you find that wherever you step your feet on, you find this person is pushing you. This person is pushing you. So you can see here, I'm just walking on my own. You see where I'm coming from. I'm coming from this way. I'm just walking on my own. So these are the kinds of areas that we really want. So this is the area, and this is the mine area. This is the mine area, guys. You can see mine area. This is mine area. And guys, when you see a roof, like you see a house with a brown roof, then which means that those roofs, they've stayed for a long time. And some of them, you find that they bought not original roofing sheets, but they bought these fake ones. You see, that's why you find that you buy them last year, you find that this year they've got rust and You can not even climb on top of it. If you climb on top of it, you find yourself you are inside the house. So this is mine area, guys. Mine area here in Kalulushi.